Welcome back, everybody. It is Cycle 4, Lesson 22. And here's our targets. Today we will learn our sight words. Today we will spell and read words with a short U sound. Short U says uh, uh, like up, up. All right. If you want a hand motion to remember the sound, if you're in class, I already taught you this hand motion. If you're at home, what you do to help you remember the short U sound is you put your finger up in the air and then you move it up, up, because short U makes like up, uh, uh. Look at this guy's mouth. Make your mouth like that when you say uh. All right, let's go back to our sight words. Here's our sight words. Now we remember these two are really, really easy because all you have to do is stretch them out to figure them out. They are easily decodable. So let's stretch them out. Did. Good. Did. And now let's stretch this one out. On. On. Good. Now here are the tricky ones. We've gotten to the tricky ones. This one's not that tricky because the first part of the word is easily decodable. All we have to remember by heart is that the S is saying zzz. So let's now that we remember that part by heart, now we can stretch it out. Ready? Stretch it out. Has. Has. Good. All right, now look at this word. This word is not that hard because the first part is easily decodable. But the last part, we have to remember that E is making its second sound. It's not saying it's saying E. So now that we remember that part by heart, we can stretch it out. Ready? She. Good job. And this one's not that hard either. The first letter is easily decodable, but the last two that's saying and does say but we still haven't really learned that the says so it's kind of tricky. We have to remember that by heart. So now that we know that the says we can stretch it out. So stretch it out. Her. Good. Now remember, you're not going to say hair. It's not hair. So when you're stretching it, you have to make sure you're saying the part you have to remember by heart the correct way. Her. Good. Now this one is the double doozy right here. This one is hard, hard, hard. Well, y'all have two parts to remember by heart in this word. The first part is that AR says R. And that is true. AR does say R, but we haven't really learned that much yet. So it's going to be something you're going to have to remember by heart. AR says R. And then we have a silent final E, which is always tricky because you have to remember not to say any sound for that letter. So now that we know AR says R and this letter is silent, we can stretch it out. R. See, once you remember these parts by heart, it's easy because all you have is one sound. R. Good. Now, for the next part, if you're in class, you're going to take out a whiteboard, and I think on the day that y'all are doing this lesson, y'all are all going to be home. So, I know most of y'all don't have a whiteboard at home, so just use a piece of paper and a pencil. Press pause while you grab what you need to do this lesson. All right, now I'm going to give you some words, and we're going to say the sounds in the words. Then we are going to spell them. So for this part, I'm going to say the sounds, and you say them with me. And then you're going to press pause while you write the word because I'm not going to wait for you. So you're going to have to press pause. Don't forget to press pause and write the word. All right, the first word we're going to write is shut, like shut the door. Shut. Let's make the sounds together. Sh, t, All right, press pause and write the word shut. All right, let's check shut. The first sound was shh. What says shh? S H says shh. The next sound was That's our big sound this week. So what letter says You better get this one right. You're right. It's you. You know that. Sh t. T says t. Shut. Good job. The next word I want you to write is run. Let's make the sounds first. Run. Like I run to the store. Run. R n. All right, press pause while you write that word. Run. All right, let's check it. Run. R. That's an R. R. That's a U. That's an N. Run. Run. Good. All right. The next word you're going to write is lunch. This one is hard. Lunch. Like I go eat my lunch at McDonald's. Lunch. All right. So there's a letter in this word. There's a sound in this word that's kind of hard to hear. So some of y'all might accidentally say ch, but that's not lunch. That's lutch. If I want lunch, I have to hear that hidden n in there. So let's make the sounds in lunch. L ch, ch, ch. All right, press pause and write the word lunch. Lunch. All right, let's check it. L Mmm. Ch, ch, ch. What says ch, ch, ch? C H. Some of y'all are still mixing up those CHs and the SHs. SH says sh. CH says ch. Lunch. Good. If you wrote it LUCH and you forgot that N, remember it's not lutch, it's lunch. All right, the next word you're going to write is quiz. Quiz. Like I took a quiz on my spelling words. Quiz. Let's make the sounds. Qu, I, z. Quiz. All right, press pause and write quiz. Quiz. All right, let's check quiz. Qu, qu, Q. And what can you not forget when you're writing a Q? What sticks like glue to a Q? Oh, you're right. It's a U. Q and U stick like glue. Qu, I, z. That's a Z. Z. Quiz. Quiz. All right, the next word you're going to write is quit. Quit. All right, quit. Press pause. Oh, wait, let's do the sounds first. Quit. Qu, I, t. All right, press pause and write the word quit. All right, let's check it. Look, I just kept the qu and the I. Qu, I. I took off the Z and now it. Quit. Let's stretch it out. Quit. Quit. Good. Another thing that y'all might want to practice at home is reading words with the S and ES ending. So why don't y'all try to read like shuts, runs, lunches, quizzes, quits. So all the same words we just wrote, but with an S or an ES sound. They don't need to know how to spell those words, but right now, but they do need to know how to read those words. So like lunches, dishes, um, just any word with the S or the ES ending. So they need to start practicing that now. All right, have fun. I miss you guys today while y'all are at home as virtual learners, and I'm here at school calling all your parents. Good luck with the rest of the lesson. Bye.